Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, or constantly stressing about your finances? It's time to take control and fix your money problems once and for all. In this video, we'll dive deep into practical steps to identify, address, and overcome financial challenges. From budgeting strategies to debt management tips, we've got you covered. So, if you're ready to break free from the cycle of financial stress and start building a brighter financial future, keep watching. Let's get started. Number 1. Identifying the problem. Financial troubles often lurk beneath the surface, manifesting in subtle yet significant ways. Take a closer look at your financial habits and patterns. Are you relying on credit cards to cover basic expenses? Do you find yourself constantly juggling payments or feeling overwhelmed by debt? These could be warning signs of underlying financial challenges. Moreover, if your income barely covers your expenses or you're unable to save for emergencies, it's time to acknowledge the problem. By recognizing these red flags and confronting the root causes of your financial stress, you're taking the crucial first step toward regaining control and paving the way for a more secure financial future. Number 2. Making a budget. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of financial stability. Start by documenting all sources of income and recurring expenses. To ensure accuracy, track your spending for a month, including occasional expenses. Then, categorize your expenses and allocate funds accordingly, prioritizing debt repayment. Whether you opt for budgeting apps or traditional pen and paper, the key is consistency. By establishing a clear roadmap for your finances, you'll gain valuable insights into your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. With a well-defined budget in place, you'll be better equipped to make informed financial decisions and achieve your long-term goals. Number 3. Reorganizing your debts. Facing a mountain of debt can be daunting, but there's hope. Begin by compiling a comprehensive list of all outstanding debts, including amounts and interest rates. Prioritize repayment by tackling high-interest debts first or exploring debt consolidation options. Consolidating multiple debts into a single, lower-interest loan can streamline repayment and save money in the long run. However, it's essential to redirect any interest savings towards accelerating debt payoff or building emergency savings. By taking proactive steps to reorganize your debts, you'll gain control over your financial situation and pave the way for a debt-free future. Number 4. Lowering your expenses. Trimming your expenses is a key strategy for achieving financial stability. Start by scrutinizing your spending habits and identifying areas where you can cut back. Consider renegotiating service contracts, switching to more affordable alternatives, or eliminating non-essential expenses altogether. Additionally, create a budget for discretionary spending and stick to it rigorously. By embracing a minimalist mindset and prioritizing value over convenience, you can stretch your dollars further and free up funds for debt repayment or savings. Remember, every small adjustment adds up, so be proactive in finding creative ways to lower your expenses and achieve your financial goals. Number 5. Paying in cash. Embracing a cash-based approach to spending can revolutionize your financial habits. When you use physical currency instead of plastic, you're more mindful of your purchases and less likely to overspend. Allocate specific amounts for different expense categories and keep them in separate envelopes to prevent impulsive spending. This tactile method provides a visual representation of your budget and encourages disciplined money management. Plus, it eliminates the temptation of relying on credit or debit cards for spur-of-the-moment purchases. By adopting the envelope system and paying in cash, you'll gain greater control over your finances and accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. Number 6. Avoiding new debt. Breaking the cycle of accumulating debt starts with a shift in mindset and habits. Resist the allure of instant gratification by leaving your credit cards at home and committing to living within your means. Before making any purchase, ask yourself if it's a necessity or a want. Create a buffer between impulse and action by implementing a 24-hour waiting period for non-essential buys. Additionally, focus on building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses instead of relying on credit. By prioritizing financial discipline and mindful spending, you'll steer clear of new debt and pave the way for a more secure financial future. Number 7. Seeking professional advice. Navigating complex financial waters can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. A trusted financial advisor can provide invaluable guidance tailored to your unique situation. Schedule a consultation to review your banking arrangements, insurance coverage, and investment strategies. They can help you optimize your financial portfolio, minimize fees, and maximize returns. Additionally, seek advice on managing debt effectively and making informed decisions about credit card usage. With their expertise, you'll gain clarity on your financial goals and develop a personalized roadmap for achieving them. Don't hesitate to leverage professional support to secure your financial future. Number 8, increasing your income. When it comes to boosting your earnings, creativity and resourcefulness are key. Explore opportunities to supplement your income beyond your primary job. Consider negotiating for overtime, freelancing, or starting a side hustle based on your skills and interests. Another option is selling unused items online or offering services in your community. Embrace the gig economy by leveraging platforms that connect freelancers with clients. Remember, every additional dollar earned brings you closer to your financial goals. By diversifying your income streams and embracing entrepreneurial spirit, you'll not only increase your financial stability, but also unlock new avenues for personal and professional growth. Number 9, building an emergency fund. An emergency fund serves as a financial safety net during unexpected crises. Start by setting aside a portion of your income each month, aiming to accumulate 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Keep your emergency fund in a separate savings account for easy access, but avoid dipping into it for non-urgent expenses. Treat it as a buffer for life's curveballs, such as job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. By proactively saving for unforeseen circumstances, you'll reduce reliance on credit cards and mitigate the financial stress associated with emergencies. Prioritize building your emergency fund to safeguard your financial stability and peace of mind. Number 10, setting realistic goals. Achieving financial success requires setting achievable and sustainable goals. Begin by assessing your current financial situation and identifying areas for improvement. Set specific, measurable, and time-bound objectives that align with your long-term aspirations. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a home, or planning for retirement, break down your goals into manageable milestones. Be realistic about your timeline and budget, allowing for flexibility and occasional setbacks. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated and track your progress regularly. Remember, financial planning is a journey, not a sprint. By setting realistic goals and staying committed to your financial plan, you'll steadily move closer to realizing your dreams and securing your financial future. Take control of your finances today to pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. By implementing the strategies discussed in this video, you can overcome your money problems and achieve financial stability. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes. With determination and the right tools, you can build a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on personal finance. Until next time, stay empowered and financially savvy.